So here I have the GoPro Hero 8 Black Bundle Edition, and first comes the Shorty. It's basically a mini tripod by GoPro. It's very small and it feels convenient, and also it extends. Then we have the extra battery that comes within the bundle. And here's the head strap and the quick clip that comes also in the bundle. And here's the 32GB memory card by Sandisk. And finally we have the GoPro Hero 8 Black. On one side we have all the features of the GoPro Hero 8, and on the other side we have all the things that is inside the box. Let's open it up. It's my very first time buying a GoPro. I've never used one, so I'm pretty much psyched about it. The GoPro itself is very sturdy and the build quality is really good. Let's see what else is in the box. We have the manuals, a mount, the original battery, and a USB-C cable. All the things that are marked green are the things that come with the GoPro Hero 8 only, and all the things that are marked red are the things that come with the bundle edition. If you liked my video, you could consider subscribing to my channel, and if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll try to reply as much as I can. Have a great day.